You think Microsoft Copilot is doing your work for you. In reality, it's training you to become its compliant, mindless employee. Every time you hit accept on an AI-generated email, you aren't saving time. You are surgically removing your brain's ability to think. But the terrifying biological change happening inside your cortex is something Silicon Valley will never put in a press release. Neuroscientists call it cognitive offloading. By continuously outsourcing your problem-solving to an algorithm, your dormant neural pathways actively prune themselves. You are literally shrinking the creator function of your brain. You used to be a creator. Now, you are just a biological rubber stamp, reduced to mindlessly clicking approve on the machine's ideas for 8 hours a day. And corporations love it. They don't want human genius or messy originality. They want predictable, algorithmic conformity. You aren't being promoted, you are being standardized. The AI isn't your digital assistant. You are the biological battery powering its takeover. The machine generates reality. You just nod and say yes. Soon, you will forget how to write your own thoughts. You will stare at a blank screen, paralyzed, waiting for a piece of software to tell you what your opinion is. Your job isn't being automated away. You are. The software isn't running on autopilot. You are the one sleepwalking through your own existence. The machine is already your boss, and you volunteered for the demotion. Reclaim your mind before it's deleted. Subscribe to the Y Vault.